What's good, y'all? This is Dez back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Sure you read by the title of this video. I'm gonna be doing a reaction video on, I think the title of it's called, like, kid makes a rap song about chicken or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a reaction on it, so like I say, if you're interested, definitely keep watching. Now, I remember, because it was back in, I think it was 2013 or 14, it was one of them years, but, or it could have been a year before, but yeah, I remember, yeah, when the video, like, when the first went viral, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me check this out. And then, of course, you know, I watched it. I was like, hey, it got some nice tune to it, you know what I'm saying? So I remember, like, you know what I'm saying, slowly but surely, like I said, other people was catching on to it. They was like, they was just, like I said, posting about the video or whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I ain't like once you hit a song, it's just like, I don't know, it's just gonna stay in your head because it's like, it's funny, but at the same time, it's like, hey, it's good entertainment, you know what I'm saying? So, but like I say, yeah, then I don't know, just somehow I think I was at work the other day and all of a sudden, like I said, that video and that song just popped in my head. So I'm like, you know what? That's gonna be my next reaction video, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm gonna be doing my personal reaction on it. So, like I say, if you're interested, definitely keep watching. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Trying to record this video like 200 times. But this is for all my people that love me some chicken. I love me some chicken so much I decided to write a song about it, so listen. I thought I saw myself a
Church's bar.
I smelled that chicken from afar. I traced that smell right back to your car. I'm taking the chicken that you got. Don't really care how hungry you are. I'm addicted to chicken, it is not my fault. I guess it's the sweet aroma. I'm taking the chicken that you love my chicken. Cluck, 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 you touch my chicken, I beat you up. When I buy my chicken, you gotta go. Ask me for a piece, you out the door. Eat my chicken with crystal hot sauce. Eat it so much, call me the who's the boss. Cock-a-doodle-doo, they see me coming. That's when all them chickens start running. Barbecue sauce, finger licking your lips. Gotta have my chicken. Man, stop playing, I'm begging for some chicken. Do the mic texting, I'm begging for some chicken. Fillet my chicken, grill my chicken. You can bake my chicken. My mama know how to fry that chicken. In that kitchen, tastes so crispy.
Hey, bar.
Chicken, bust the windows out your car. I thought I saw myself a church's bar.
Look at the background.
I traced back to your car. I'm taking the chicken out your car. I'm addicted to chicken, it's not my fault. Don't really care how hungry you are. I guess it's the sweet aroma. I'm taking the chicken out your car. Yeah, my chicken. I need my chicken. I love my chicken. I put nothing above my chicken. Chicken.
Hey, there you have it on now, you feel me? Like I said, overall, like I say, I like the whole concept of it, you know what I'm saying? I forgot, I think the beat from there, I think that's from Busting Windows Out Your Car, yeah. So, of course, you know, so you already have everybody's attention with that beat. I think around that time, yeah, that song was popular, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, like I said, I like the whole concept of it. Like I say, you love chicken, so make a song about it. You know what I'm saying? But, oh, man, like I said, he was saying something, I'm like, this dude wild. But, you know what I'm saying? Hey, like I say, you love chicken, you feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with that. I love chicken, because protein, you know what I'm saying? But, but like I said, that was my whole thoughts and opinions on that, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, hey, like, comment, subscribe, also share my videos, whatever you want to do, or whatever you can do, I'm down with it regardless, you feel me? So, till my next video, y'all already know what it is. I'll see y'all in a minute.